Hello, welcome back to another video of handy gifts. In today's video, I'll be making a card using the Spirography tool that I've used in the previous video. I'm just loving it, so I thought I'll make something using that. So without wasting time, let's begin. To begin with, I've taken this white sheet that I got along with the Spirography tool, and also I've taken a stencil. This also I had bought long back. I've used it with paint before, so you can see the paint patches there. Anyways, so let's go ahead. I'm going to use two colors, blue and purple. I'm going to use this blue for the square border that is there, and purple for the rest of the border design. So let's do that first. So we're done with this. Let's see, it's come out good actually. So now let's start with the Spirography part. I have kept the tool there. I hope this is in the center. I'm assuming it's in the center. So let's begin. For this I am going to take two colors. One is pink and one is dark green that you can see here. So alternatively I'll be using these like two each. So I done two, and now I'll continue with the green. So same way it'll go on. So yes, we are done with it. Let's see. Okay, it's come out good. Now in the space I'll be writing thank you. I've written in the pencil. Now I am writing it with the green color pen. So let me just give it some nice coloring, and then we'll be done. So here you go. Our thank you card is ready, and I liked it. It's simple and cute. So yeah, let me know your comments in the your opinion in the comment section below. I'll see you all. Bye bye.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.